Why is carbon monoxide a concern with furnaces? Carbon monoxide is a dangerous, invisible gas that can leak from a cracked or poorly maintained furnace, and because you cannot see it, smell it, or taste it, it can build up in your home and make you seriously sick, or even cause death before you realize anything is wrong. Think of your furnace like a campfire that's trapped inside a metal box. And that box has a chimney called a heat exchanger that's supposed to carry all the smoke and bad gases safely outside your home. When that heat exchanger gets old, cracked, or rusted, the bad gas, which is carbon monoxide, can sneak into the air you breathe instead of going outside where it belongs. What most people don't know is that carbon monoxide poisoning often feels just like the flu, with headaches, dizziness, and feeling tired. So a lot of folks don't even realize they're being poisoned slowly in their own living room. Here's something interesting too. Older furnaces built before the 1990s are much more likely to have this problem because the metal used back then wears out faster than it does today. The best thing you can do is get your furnace inspected once a year by a real technician who checks that heat exchanger closely, and always keep a carbon monoxide detector installed near your bedrooms. One big mistake people make is assuming that if their smoke detector is working, they're already protected. But a smoke detector cannot sense carbon monoxide at all, so you truly need a separate carbon monoxide detector plugged in and tested regularly. Another common misconception is thinking that only really old furnaces are dangerous, but even a newer furnace can leak carbon monoxide if it wasn't installed correctly or if the vents outside get blocked by snow, leaves, or a bird's nest. A lot of homeowners also skip yearly maintenance because their furnace seems to be running just fine, but carbon monoxide leaks often happen silently with no warning signs, so scheduling that yearly checkup really is the simplest way to stay safe. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.